you like to try some of my paleo ranch dressing?
No, thank you.
Okay. Just gonna put a little bit here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try the cornbread. Okay.
Okay.
See if it's any good. Smell it. It smells good.
It does smell good.
Okay. Mmm. Try a piece, Mom. You'll like it. It's good. It's like a mixture of...
It has the texture of cornbread.
Yeah, but in a cake. More like a cake, but not a sweet cake.
No,
Not a sweet cake.
it's very good.
Oh, it's delicious. Imagine with a bowl of chili.
Or beans.
Mmm. Big pot of green beans. My favorite meal. Oh, I love it. I am so impressed with this.
So am I.
And this came out of a
I
mix.
had my doubts.
This is a mix.
A mix.
Mmm. Let's see if I can get a close up. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now I bought this bag for $6.99 at Sprouts.
Okay.
Okay. I think they sell it at Target too.
They do?
Mm-hmm. I don't know how much it is everywhere else, but the going price usually is $9.99.
Mm.
But I will put a link below if anyone would like to order this from Amazon. But check on Sprouts and Sprouts and Target first, because I'm pretty sure it's cheaper at Sprouts. Well, I know it is, but you may not have a Sprouts. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.